looking for more downside, but we got to get through this 43.30 first, right? This is where we have to get through this. So just going to open, let SPX open, see what we have, set up, see what it looks like. I'm not in a hurry to get in this. The volatility is here. We got 43.61. This is the next setup. 43.61, 60-minute 9 just overhead. Got a partial fill there. Didn't even get a full fill on it, but and take some profits into 36.48, right into the 15-minute.
Order filled.
There we go. Paying myself there. Coming into that 36 area here. And if we get up through here too, if we get up through this low of this, I'm going to take profit. I'm just going to take it off. Profit stop. Got a good trade on there. Paid myself. This looks exactly like it did the other day. This is the same thing, but it happened right at the open. And it just did this and it flirted for a while. It flirted and then it finally broke down, right? This looks just like it did the other day when I was short and you guys, and right here, when I got stopped out on the first one, got short on the second one, took profits. It looks just like that. I want to be short this baby. And if I can get back up here and get a reload or even get a better price than I had last time, I'm taking it.
Order filled.
Here we go. Nice little pop for me there to get some.
Order filled.
Took profits again there. So yeah, I just got another couple of bucks, $3 out of those again. So I'm just gonna keep paying myself here. Nice. Got filled on this pop here. I got the puts again. Got filled on the pop. But I like this short setup. If the bulls were going to make this work, man, I don't think they would have pulled back this far, right? No reason to believe we can't come test 36, right? So if I can get a 36 test, I'm going to take some off.
Order filled.
Selling a little bit there, just like that. Boom. Up $2 from my fill. There we go. Setting fishing orders out, trying to get filled on the way. Man, this is turning out to be a pretty freaking good day here. 24. Take some profits into that 24. If we can close under 24, whoo, bulls, I'd be scared to be a bull. Paid myself there into that strength. So I've got leftovers on 2 different strikes now. Profit stops in place. We did hit that black magic, right? That was my target. All right, next stop is the 15. If we can get a good setup at the 36 area, then I'll maybe pull the trigger on that short. But we got to close the 5 over 30 right now. There we go. Got tagged on one there. See if I can get another one. I got another fishing order sitting out if I can get to it. What I'm doing is I'm watching this print. I'm watching this right here, 25.43. If I see it print 25.43, anything over that, I'm closing it. Boom. So I have a stop in place, of course, but this is my profit. I'm watching this. All we did was tap it too, right? That's all we did was tap it. I'm out. Close that trade out, a good couple of bucks in the money there. I'm just going to be patient and let's see what we get. We'll trade into low a day of 12. Take some profits there. We break that low a day. 4,300 is on deck. So
order filled.
Ooh, I just got hit. I just sold some there. Keep moving my stop as the day goes on with the pieces I have left and call it good.